Welcome to the second tutorial on crime and punishment in Christianity. We will be looking at the reasons why we need laws, causes of crime, Christian teachings about crime and what they can do to end it. A crime is an action that is against the law and may result in punishment. The law is enforced by the police and the courts. We need laws so that everyone is protected from crime and can live without fear, so that people and their possessions are kept safe, and so that people know how to act towards each other. The most common crimes that occur in the UK are theft, violence, criminal damage, which is damaging property, and public order offenses, like disturbing the peace or causing fear. Less common but more serious crimes include murder and sexual offenses. Can you remember any of the causes of crime? One cause of crime is poverty, as people may turn to crime if they have no job, house or money, and they might feel angry at their lack of income and opportunity. Another cause is social environment, with family dysfunction or the bad influence of friends. People may turn to crime to pay for their addiction to drugs or alcohol. And sometimes people commit crime out of hate, for example because of prejudice against a person's gender, race or sexuality. People may sometimes commit crimes if their judgment and behavior is affected by mental health problems. Civil disobedience is refusing to comply with certain laws as a peaceful form of protest against them, because they think a certain law is unfair. Finally, some people commit crimes because they have nothing better to do. This has often been given as a reason for why young people might commit certain crimes, like stealing cars. Christianity says people should obey the law. They believe there are serious consequences for society if people aren't punished for crime. But they are against revenge as a response to crime. They believe they should respond with love and understanding. A woman had been found guilty of adultery, which is a married person having sex with someone they are not married to. The punishment for this crime was stoning to death. But Jesus showed mercy so that the woman could change her behavior in the future. Most Christians agree with sending people to prison for serious crimes but also want to change the lives of the offender so they change their behavior. They believe they should rehabilitate them, which means restoring someone back to a law-abiding life. Prison Fellowship is a Christian organization who run Bible studies and prayer groups in prisons to try to put Christian faith into action by showing justice and mercy. They also run restorative justice programs which reduce reoffending. Street Pastors is a Christian group that patrols the streets at night, offering help and prayer to people coming out of pubs and clubs. They look after vulnerable people and try to calm down any situations which might be dangerous due to too much alcohol. In the exam, you might be asked to outline causes of crime, or the actions taken by Prison Fellowship. You might be asked about Christian teachings on crime too. In summary, a crime is an action against the law. Christians believe people should obey the law and, if they don't, should be punished. However, revenge is not the right response, but love and understanding can help turn people away from a life of crime.